Hello and welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a vegan omelette, which is a very healthy and fluffiest and full of protein, and it is without eggs. So let's check out what we need for this fluffiest omelette. So we're going to start with 1 cup of besan or chickpea flour, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and green chili and ginger paste, red chili flakes as per your taste, and also we are adding salt. Now add water gradually and we are going to make a batter. I'm using this bare hand mixture which I reviewed in my last video. So we're going to beat this until it's nice and fluffy and make sure there is no lumps. So our batter is ready. So this is a bare hand mixer which has a very easy eject button to eject the attachments. So now the batter is ready. We're going to add chopped onions and chopped fresh coriander. I love using fresh coriander, so add this, and we're going to add fruit salt, or you can use baking soda. Now heat a griddle or a pan, add some oil, or you can also use butter, and then we are going to add a spoonful of batter and spread it. Now let it cook until the bubbles will start to form, and then it will be nice and fluffy. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So you see how the bubbles are forming. Now it's time to flip, so I'm going to drizzle some oil and then flip this. Wow, look at this beautiful golden color. It's really appetizing, so I'm just going to brush some oil, and the other side also looks really well done. So it's ready to serve. And I really like to top it off with fresh green onions. And here you go, your vegan fluffiest omelette is ready without any eggs. So people who don't like to eat eggs, this is perfect recipe for them. Please try it, and I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.